Gonna learn how to open your own class. Hi, good morning, or welcome to this section. First of all, I'm teacher number one, and I'm going to show you how to open your own classroom on Google Classroom. So first of all, we need to sign in to log in into our Gmail. You log into your Gmail. If you have a school account, it's better. But if not, you can still log into your Gmail. And then whilst you are in your Gmail, you open this dots on the extreme right, nine dots on the extreme right, open it up. When you open it, you will see all the Chrome products on and the apps out here. We are looking for Classroom, so we will quickly click on Classroom. And when the Classroom opens, I will share. We quickly click on Classroom, and whilst the Classroom opens, we will just hold it. When the classroom opens, you will see the screen like this. You will not see like this. I have classrooms here already, that's why you see this, but you would not see these boxes that are there because you do not have a classroom yet. And so when you open it up like that, the first thing you do is click on this plus. Click on this plus that you have here, and you see join class or create class. What we want to do right now is create class. So we click on create class, and we will have this screen. First of all, we will type the name of our class. We will just say test lessons, and then the rest you can add more lessons. We typed that wrong. We can add more to it, section, whatever, room, subject. We just say Google Classroom. That's the subject of this class. So we just put it there. If there is anything else, we can add to it. And after that, we will just click on create. And that is it. We have our classroom created. There we have it. So this is the class name that we gave to it, test lessons. And now we have a classroom really created. If we want to add people, bring people into the class, we would see how to do that in the next video. Thank you very much. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Click on the next video to see how to add people to your classroom.